rated is antique, and the art and crafts are located in the Rabbit Barn on the Middle Drive. And again, if you're in a golf cart, you can now pull up at the north side, and the golf cart parking back there on the north side, where you can park and walk in. If you need any kind of first aid, you have the first aid on the ground. They're located up here by the women's building to the west of that towards the Woody Turner Hall. I'm your Captain Rick Brewer, and I am in the Farmers Building next to the Officers Club stand. The trading post